Real quick video to show a Neff 3.5 ton machine. Hydraulic PLC was giving us error messages, so we replaced it with the good old Allen Bradley. Everybody loves them, Micrologics PLC. Simpler, easier, solved the problem. Let's run it through the paces, please, sir.
Pinch mode. Run mode. Incomplete stroke. Curtains.
That would stopped it with your face?
Yeah.
All right. So curtains are
Me again.
integrated and working.
You don't do a full cycle, say you let go soon or you break the curtains, there's a 2-second return. Pressure's working.
Nice quiet hydraulics too.
Set up output 4 for a counter if they want to throw a counter in there since the interface is no longer working.
Okay. Do you want to tag that so they know? Put a little note?
I've got a whole manual here set up with what we wrote in that program. So.
Oh, copy the ladder logic right there with the notes. Okay.
There's IO in there too.
All right, beautiful. Quiet, nice. That's our rigging strap, sorry. All right, good to go. Thanks, let us know if there's any questions.